Nifty's push towards its all-time high and explore the key catalysts, including Nvidia's upcoming earnings and the anticipated Fed rate cuts. Stay tuned for insights on how these events could shape the market ahead. After a string of gains for 8 days, Nifty is fast approaching its biggest hurdles at its all-time high at 25,078.30 mark. Please note, above Nifty 25,078.30, there is a bright possibility that most aggressive bulls will rush to revise their Nifty's targets higher for a market that keeps dragging on. Commanding attention from here on will be the US semiconductor company Nvidia's latest financial results to trickle in this Wednesday, 28 August. Please note, the mania around artificial intelligence makes Nvidia one of the stock market's favorite companies, with a total value topping $3 trillion. The stock is up more than 155% for the year. Long story short, anything less than a stellar forecast from Nvidia could shatter Wall Street's rally in AI-related companies, including Microsoft, Alphabet, and Meta platforms. Hopefully, more fireworks on cards across the globe. Fingers crossed. Global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1504 crores while DIIs sold to the tune of Rs 604 crores. Nifty sentiments continue to remain bullish. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals are indicating massive breakout on the upside. Fando August month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,300 to 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index are at 13.63 levels. Nifty PCR, 29th August, is at 1.12 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 28th August, is at 0.85. Nifty outlook, Nifty will aim to capture its all-time high at 25,078.30. Nifty, CMP to 5018. Support, 24,950 to 24,850. Resistance, 25,050 to 25,200. Range, 24,850 to 25,200. Bias, sideways to bullish. Bank Nifty, CMP 51279. Support, 51,000 to 50,800. Resistance, 51,400 to 51,600. Range, 50,800 to 51,600. Bias, sideways to bullish. Nifty is within a striking distance of its all-time high at 25,078.30. But this Wednesday morning, GIFT Nifty is trading lower, indicating a cautious start. Our call of the day continues to be with the bulls camp, and most importantly, the bullish narrative suggests that Nifty shall move towards uncharted territory sooner than later. The biggest positive catalyst continues to be the stage which is set for the long-awaited Federal Reserve rate cuts to finally begin from 18 September. The big questions: 1. Is the Fed rate cut a done deal? 2. The street will also be eager to know how big the first cut might be. 3. Will the Fed cut again in November? Or will they pause after September rate cut? Well, the Fed funds traders are seen placing a 68% chance of a 25 basis point cut and a 32% chance of a 50 basis point cut. Strictly speaking, the Fed continues to insist they will remain data dependent, and there is plenty more to come even before the next FOMC announcement on 18 September. Well, the Fed outcome on 18 September will depend on the 3 inflation reports and 1 US employment report on 6 September. The 3 inflation reports. 1. The Personal Consumption Expenditures (PCE) Index, which is the Fed's preferred inflation gauge to trickle on 30th August. 2. The Consumer Price Index (CPI) Retail Inflation report on 11th September. 3. And on 12th September, traders will have to brace for the Producer Price Index (PPI) Wholesale Inflation report. Long story short, volatility could be the hallmark in the near term.